I'm Dinda and I am from Dwiwarna Boarding School, Indonesia. I'm here to explain about my artwork that inspired by environmental issues. So this is my artwork. So this is a pictures of jellyfish that swimming with a lot of plastic waste beside it. Why I draw these pictures? And the answer is plastic is a huge and serious problem nowadays. Plastic has a toxic pollutants that damage the environment. Plastic also make a land, air, and water pollution. It can take 100 or even 1,000 years for plastic to break down. So the damage of plastic to the environment is so long-lasting. In my opinion, recycling all those plastic is the best option to solve this huge problem. So these jellyfish will not swimming with all of this plastic waste, but these jellyfish will swimming with another sea creatures. That's all my explanation. Thank you for your attention and see you in another videos.